Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Airbyte connector data to warehouses reliably, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have Airbyte installed and running. Navigate to the Airbyte dashboard. Identify the connector from which you want to backup data. Click on the connector to view its settings and configuration. Review the current settings to verify all configurations are correct. Next, locate the destination settings where you intend to backup the data. Choose the appropriate data warehouse for your backup. Access the documentation for your selected data warehouse to verify compatibility with Airbyte. Configure the destination in Airbyte by entering the necessary credentials. Ensure all connection parameters are filled out accurately. After pairing the connector and destination, click on the Save button to apply your configurations. Now, return to the main dashboard. Look for the option to create a new sync for the selected source and destination. Set the sync frequency according to your requirements. For real-time data, select the streaming option, if available. For periodic backups, choose a scheduled option that fits your needs. Once you've set the sync preferences, initiate the first sync by clicking on the Sync Now button. Monitor the sync process in real time to ensure everything proceeds smoothly. After the sync is complete, check the destination data warehouse to confirm that the data has been backed up successfully. For ongoing reliability, establish alerts in Airbyte for any sync failures. Consider implementing a strategy for regular validation of the backed up data in the warehouse. Finally, periodically review and update your backup configurations to adapt to any changes in your data requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.